Good morning, you guys. It is around like 11:30ish or something like that. I wanted to be able to show you guys everything before I got to like the cleaning and everything like that, but I'm super grateful because the homeowner actually moved out last night and I was able to come in now. So it was a rush process. They did not get a chance to send in cleaners after they moved out. So I had to go and get daylight bulbs, cleaning products, all of this stuff here. So I'm cleaning, but this is it. You guys will see it again. Sorry. I'm about to mop and stuff. I have the second set of movers here. They're moving me in. You guys, there's a lot. And so this is the place, you guys. It is really big. I really love it. I cannot wait to host, to entertain, all of that jazz. What I'm thinking about doing is placing my gold mirror. I don't know. Anyway, we won't be talking about where things are going right now. Right now, I'm just gonna be enjoying the move, enjoying the new space, enjoying everything. I'm gonna put my camera down and start cleaning. You guys, there's a gas stove. I'm just saying, there's a gas stove. But yeah, right now I'm just about to start mopping. So I'm gonna just put y'all down so y'all could just chill with me. One of the biggest things that actually ended up happening is the truck did not fit all of my stuff. I got a 26 footer. I got a 26 footer U-Haul, and all of my stuff didn't fit in there. I think I had way more stuff than, I don't know, it was weird. It's just been weird, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's been so weird. I do have a cleaning company coming. Oh, y'all recommended this mop. I don't know. It's not giving. It ain't giving.
There's a master?
Yeah, that goes into the bedroom. It's just not giving. I need a bigger rock. I like y'all, but some days I don't. This ain't the mop. What? This ain't. Am I mopping wrong? I don't know how to mop. Well, maybe I don't know how to mop. I don't know, y'all. It's my. I love y'all. I really do love y'all, but this mop is not giving. It's cute. It's real cute. It's cute. It's real cute. Little turning. This is not for no big mess. This house is too big. Hell, not for to be tired. This is cute. So basically, my rug isn't going back into my master because only downstairs in the hallways have hardwood floors. So I'm not gonna do that. In a matter of about 2 to 3 days, I will have a paint company come to give me an estimate, and I will probably have them paint like the walls that are way too tall for me to reach. And then the other walls, I'll paint myself. Thank you. I'm gonna show you guys the master because you guys are gonna be like, this looks just like your bedroom, like pretty much. So this is the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, which is pretty much the same as when I moved into my house without all the trimmings. So the carpet's gonna stay like this. I'm gonna put the bed and everything together, but I'm gonna leave the mattress and stuff to the side because I want a company to come in and clean the carpet just to get it like really, really nice and pretty and clean. And then I'm gonna keep everything off the walls, and I'm gonna paint the walls in here and paint the ceiling, kind of make it feel like I'm back at home, you know. Listen, it's for me to be comfortable. So this is the window. So my mirror is still gonna be caddied on this corner right here. I'm gonna have, and you know what's funny? Yeah, anyway, I'm still gonna have the mirror caddied on this corner right here. And then this is the master, which is kind of cute because you can be in the bed and like good and creepy but good. You could be like laying in the bed and be right inside of the shower. It's a moment, it's a vibe if you get it, okay? And so this is the shower, and then turn here, and then the closet. Of course, I am going to change out these lights in here to do daylight, but the closet is really big. So although I don't have all of the fancy schmancy shelving anymore like I did in the last house with my custom closet, this closet is really good. I'll be able to fit everything in here, which I'm fine with. I'll still do little try on hauls and stuff, but this is pretty much the space that I'm dealing with. I do love the house. I think the house is great. Going into the hallway, I do love the house. Like I said, they moved out and wasn't able to paint, so you might see scratches and scuff marks and little things here and there. I'm gonna clean all that. Laundry room is nice and big. And then this is one of the other bedrooms. I'm gonna go back downstairs. But I will say this, the mop, I'm not a fan of the mop, but the house smells really good because at least I was able to mop this area. That's the rug. This is the rug from my master. I actually sold my other rug. So if you guys were wondering, I sold my other rug. And so this one is in here. But you guys, the space is a massive. I can't wait to get it like fully clean and fully operational how I like it. I don't plan on changing too many things in here just because this is temporary. I'm gonna be looking for another house to buy, but while I'm here I do want to be comfortable as possible.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run it on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt.
Okay, you guys, everything is looking so good. So you can see the color of their flooring, and this is the rug that was in the master. just know that I'm going to be talking about repurposing furniture, especially when it comes to like moving and how you can work it and rework it back into your space when you're moving. And so this is that mirror, that 60-inch mirror. It's so crazy because it was in my closet, but now this mirror is looking small, you guys. But this mirror is gonna go here, and then I think I'm gonna do like a piece of artwork or something. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about putting the TV here just because if I'm cooking, I won't be able to actually see it. So I want to be able to like put the TV right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is put the LG, which is like the super paper thin TV, put that one up there. But I'm not seeing anything for cable either, so who knows? I don't know, but this is the view. I haven't really decided 100% on how everything is gonna be situated. What I do know is currently I am loving this view. I do wish the fireplace was a little bit more up to date, but again, this isn't my place. I'm just here. This is my temporary home. Oh gosh, you guys, it looks so good. But yeah, I don't even know if the mirror's gonna stay there because for some particular reason, what I'm thinking about doing is purchasing 2 really large canvases and putting one here, doing the TV up here. You guys know I've never done that before, but if you can see, the TV is actually mounted on this side and the stove is on this side. So I feel like I can cook and it won't mess with my ADHD and get me like super distracted. And so I feel like I'm a little safe. The mirror itself, I don't know. I want to put it somewhere so when I take pictures, it can be like, oh my God, a whole situation. So like, I'm gonna come here, get dressed, you know, and just kind of like take my pictures for Instagram. This is still a really good little corner space, whatever, but we'll figure it out as we go, y'all. But I wanted y'all to be able to at least see how the rug looks in the space because it looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna order 6 new bar stools to go here. Something makes me want to do 8, but I think 8 will just look too much like a school cafeteria. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'll do 6 right here because I feel like even in the future, I could sell 3 or even 4, and then I can do whatever with the rest. It doesn't really matter, but I figured I could do something with it. Those are the TVs. They'll be mounted, not today. I gotta find someone that's gonna mount it. One thing that I'm loving again is the height of the ceilings, if you can see, and I'm loving how much light is coming into the space, which is like perfect. I'm just loving how everything is just gelling together in this new space, even though it's my old furniture. Like, it's such a situation, y'all. Like, it just feels very perfect. Of course, I'm gonna have to wipe things down, but it just looks so good. I almost forgot, you guys, I'm having like a welcome home, welcome back to Atlanta housewarming. No gifts. But I just want all my friends and family to just meet, see each other, say hello, you know, become one with the girl. Yeah. So the other one, when you come with the other one, put the other one there. Yeah. It's kind of crazy because when I was packing 2 days ago and I started this whole thing, I'm like, you guys, I'm scared, but I'm nervous. But being here right now, I'm not gonna lie, there's this like calmness, which I'm loving. Trash. Yeah, trash.
Okay.
It should have never came here. Yeah, I don't love that. I'm really excited. I don't know if the living room is gonna stay like this. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't what I will say is I am loving just the chillness of it. And then I'm thinking to myself, when I'm watching TV, like it's still a situation.